Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase video quality using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So we can click on new project here, and then I'm going to select one of my videos. For example, I'm going to increase the quality of this video guys. Alright, and then we're going to apply blur effect to this video. Go to the effect, video effect, and then you're going to apply this blur effect. Okay, and then make it align with your video. Alright, and then we're going to go to the adjustment guys. You can select your video and then go to adjust and go to the grab. Okay, right here. And then you can follow this adjustment. You can adjust each color. Just make it like this. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, and then I'm going to go back and click on the check mark. And then we're going to export this video. So we can click on this export button. And I recommend you to export it in 1080p quality, so it can increase your video quality. And then we're going to create a new project again, and then I'm going to import the original video, and I'm going to add overlay. Select overlay, add overlay, and then you're going to import the video we have just exported. And wait, let me make it full. Alright, and then we're going to go to the splice menu. We're going to blend this video with the original video. Go to splice and then select color burn, and then you're going to make it 30, around 30. Okay, done, and then click on the check mark. Okay, and the next one guys, you're going to add white background. Go to overlay, add overlay, go to the CapCut library, add search for white background. I'm going to choose photo, import this one, make it full screen, and then you're going to blend. You can go to the splice and then go to overlay, and then you're going to make it around 70 until 80. Okay, and this is the result. And then don't forget to export it in 1080p. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.